You guys remember the subscriber? Remember this, right? It's kind of crazy, but I'm here to tell you a secret. I never told you about this subscriber. It's actually me. You don't know why, but I'm disguised the whole entire time. Because I have a second phone. That's right, I do not only have one, I have a second one. Remember that? Because even though I sound like a 9-year-old, I'm still 14. That's why I sound like this. I have this voice. But if I have a group chat, this is my voice. Hey guys. Kinda embarrassing though. I never join in. But now I showed you guys my secret. I've been testing on you because some of you might be curious about me or maybe mad at me. So I get another phone. That's why I've been disguising. But I never did get another. But I did get a phone. So it's obviously. And thank you for the content that you guys. Thank you for all the support you gave me because all of my friends are happy now. And I'm finally happy. But I'm still suffering in social anxiety. That means in my whole life, I've been suffering by social anxiety. So when I walk into a room, I think I hate myself, and even everyone hates me too because my toxic friend named Bibe actually get gang on me with this girl named Dia because they're cousins. It might be a long deal because this girl has been bullying me for over 3 months now. I hate this girl. If you're hearing this, then I'm still broken. So see you guys the next series of The Rotten. I'll be resting, and all of my friends are gonna make it because my hands hurt because I create too much content. And some of you guys, if you want to copy me, but don't